Madanji said that this experience of the army taught him discipline, it taught him courtesy, it taught him endurance, because he was now going to face a lot of struggle in the future. But it gave him that grit. And you'll be very happy to know that in our group there are some people from the army here. In fact, the next song is going to be sung by Lieutenant General Gajria. And it is based on the film Hakikat. And Kaifi Azmi had written the
he
lyrics.
has chosen a right film to portray his talent.
Yes.
And I must tell you here that my younger daughter is also married to an army officer who is a major now.
How nice. Okay, great. So from General Gajria, let's listen to मैं ये सोच कर उसके दर से उठा था.
Wow.
मैं ये सोच कर उसके डर से उठा था कि वो रोक लेगी, मना लेगी मुझको। कदम ऐसे अंदाज से उठ रहे थे कि आवाज देकर बुला लेगी मुझको। मगर उसने रोका न उसने मनाया, न दामन ही पकड़ा न मुझको बिठाया, न आवाज ही दी न वापस बुलाया। मैं आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ता ही आया, यहाँ तक के उससे जुदा हो गया मैं, यहाँ तक के उससे जुदा हो गया मैं, जुदा हो गया मैं, जुदा हो गया मैं, जुदा हो गया मैं, जुदा हो गया मैं।
बहुत ही बढ़िया, सो वंडरफुली संग जनरल साहब। इस गाने के बारे में मैं कुछ कहना चाहूंगी। इसके जो सोलो वायलिन पीसेस हैं, ये लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल जी के जो प्यारेलाल जी हैं उनके बजाए हुए हैं। They had already become very famous as composers, But when my dad told him that Pyarelal, आपको इसमें violin बजाना, he is an excellent violin player वैसे, just for information. तो he said बिल्कुल मदन जी आपने कह दिया और मैं हाजिर हुआ. मतलब that is the kind of respect that commanded even with the musicians, that they would go out of their way to do whatever he wanted them to. And this is the masterpiece by Pyarelal ji, the violin in this song, along with Rafi Saab singing, of course.
Yeah, it's a absolutely beautiful creation. And I think Gajra Saab, in spite of the fact that he's got
बिल्कुल.
viral, has sung it so well.
Oh, okay. बहुत ही बढ़िया गाया जनरल साहब.
Thank you.
Wonderfully done.